Hello and welcome to Vegan Dose. Today we're tackling a common challenge for many vegans, handling cravings for non-vegan foods. Whether you're new to veganism or have been on this journey for a while, cravings can happen. But don't worry, I've got some practical tips and delicious alternatives to help you stay on track. Let's get started. Cravings for non-vegan foods are completely normal and can happen for various reasons. It might be due to emotional triggers, habits, or simply because you miss certain flavors and textures. In this video, we'll explore why cravings occur and how to effectively manage them. Chapter 1. Understanding cravings. Before we dive into solutions, it's important to understand why we crave certain foods. Cravings can be influenced by several factors. Emotional triggers, stress, boredom, or emotional distress can lead to cravings for comfort foods, habits, and memories. Foods we enjoyed in the past can trigger cravings due to associated memories and habits. Nutritional needs. Sometimes cravings can indicate a nutritional deficiency. For example, a craving for cheese might signal a need for calcium or healthy fats. Chapter 2. Identifying your triggers. The first step in managing cravings is identifying your triggers. Keep a food journal to track when and why cravings occur. Note the time of day, your emotions, and any specific situations that might be contributing to your cravings. This awareness will help you develop strategies to address them. Chapter 3. Finding vegan alternatives. One of the best ways to handle cravings is to find satisfying vegan alternatives. Here are some common cravings and their vegan counterparts. Cheese. Try vegan cheeses made from nuts, soy, or coconut. Brands like Miyoko's, Daya, and Violife offer a variety of flavors. Nutritional yeast can add a cheesy flavor to dishes like pasta, popcorn, and salads. Make your own cheese sauce using cashews, nutritional yeast, and plant milk. Meat. Explore plant-based meats such as Beyond Meat, Impossible Foods, or Gardein. These products mimic the taste and texture of meat. Use tofu, tempeh, or seitan in your favorite recipes. Marinating and seasoning them well can make a big difference. Try making homemade veggie burgers with beans, grains, and vegetables. Ice cream. Indulge in dairy-free ice cream, made from almond, coconut, or cashew milk. Brands like Ben & Jerry's, So Delicious, and Halo Top have delicious options. Make your own banana ice cream by blending frozen bananas with a splash of plant milk and your favorite mix-ins like cocoa powder or berries. Eggs. For scrambled eggs, try tofu. Scramble seasoned with turmeric, nutritional yeast, and black salt, kala namak, for an eggy flavor. Use chickpea flour or mung bean flour to make vegan omelets or frittatas. Chapter 4. Creating a balanced diet. Ensuring that your diet is well-balanced can help reduce cravings. Focus on incorporating a variety of whole foods. Protein include beans, lentils, tofu, tempeh, quinoa, and nuts. Healthy fats. Avocados, nuts, seeds, and plant oils. Complex carbohydrates. Whole grains, sweet potatoes, and legumes. Vitamins and minerals. Eat a rainbow of fruits and vegetables to cover your nutritional bases. Chapter 5. Planning and preparation. Being prepared can make a huge difference in managing cravings. Here are some tips. Meal prep. Plan your meals and snacks for the week. Having healthy, delicious options ready can prevent impulse eating. Keep healthy snacks on hand. Stock your pantry with nuts, seeds, dried fruits, and hummus for quick, satisfying snacks. Stay hydrated. Sometimes, thirst can be mistaken for hunger. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Chapter 6. Mindful eating. Practicing mindful eating can help you tune into your body's signals and reduce cravings. Eat slowly. Take your time to savor each bite and appreciate the flavors and textures. Pay attention to hunger cues. Eat when you're genuinely hungry, and stop when you're satisfied, not full. Enjoy your food. Choose foods that you enjoy and make mealtime a pleasant experience. Chapter 7. Dealing with emotional cravings. Emotional cravings can be challenging, but there are ways to manage them. Find healthy coping mechanisms. Instead of turning to food, try activities like yoga, meditation, or journaling to deal with stress. Seek support. Connect with friends, family, or online communities for encouragement and advice. Allow occasional treats. It's okay to indulge in a vegan treat now and then. Depriving yourself completely can lead to stronger cravings. Chapter 8. Staying motivated. Finally, staying motivated on your vegan journey is key. Remind yourself of your reasons, whether it's for health, animals, or the environment. Keeping your reasons for going vegan in mind can strengthen your resolve. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Stay inspired, follow vegan blogs, watch documentaries, and try new recipes to keep things exciting. Conclusion. Cravings for non-vegan foods are natural, but with the right strategies, you can handle them effectively. By understanding your triggers, finding delicious vegan alternatives, and maintaining a balanced diet, you can stay on track with your vegan lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Vegan Dose for more tips, recipes, and inspiration. Stay strong and compassionate on your vegan journey.